excited? You're gonna catch some big fish, huh? Alright, we got a cup of coffee. And we're ready to roll. James, you ready? Fire. Perfect. Look at that. Thank you. Next hand. Oh, he's got that one. We might as well put him this in. Here.
На construction один робить і 5 стоїть.
That's what we're doing. There's a manager, there's a project manager, there's a
VP.
yeah, there's
The project manager.
yeah. Yeah, buddy. Cooking some eggs and stuff. Hopefully some fish too.
Where's the heater though?
Yeah, let's go. That's what.
Turn it off.
Yeah.
You guys get anything?
Not yet. Soon. You're gonna see the sharks come out soon. Just wait. You know, we gotta.
Alright.
We're starting slowly. This is appetizing.
James, you having fun?
Yeah.
Catch a lot of fish? Chef Ramsay, Chef Roman.
Boys are hungry, you know?
Yeah, what are you cooking today?
Today we're gonna have some nice eggs, some corn, bacon, bananiki, all of the above.
Nice. We haven't caught anything yet, but we're having fun, right?
Yeah, soon do it.
People getting hungry. Chef Ramsay's cooking up some wieners.
Fresh eggs from Bosa Farms.
Look at that. You guys need eggs? Bosa Farms. Oh yeah. Eggs, little wieners, pierogies. got one?
Yeah. Okay, you take the
You want a picture? All right, ready? It's all the excitement. You guys act like you got a shark.
Good job, Marcus.
They're doing better than us, man.